Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the third brake light on your Hyundai Elantra. First, open your trunk to gain access to the light assembly from the inside. You'll be pleased to know that for this task, you generally won't need any special tools. Just ensure you have the correct replacement bulb, which is commonly a 921 or 7506 type, ready to go. Once inside the trunk, look directly behind where the third brake light is located on the rear window. You'll see the bulb socket there. Grasp the socket firmly and twist it counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn. After twisting, the socket should release, allowing you to gently pull it straight out from its housing. With the socket in hand, it's time to remove the old bulb. Simply press the bulb down into the socket and twist it counterclockwise. It should then easily pull out. Now, take your new bulb, align its pins with the slots in the socket, push it down, and twist it clockwise until it feels secure and locked into place. Now, carefully reinsert the bulb socket back into the light housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Before closing everything up, have a friend step on the brake pedal to confirm your new third brake light is working correctly. If it illuminates, you're all set. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.